I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the Antutu benchmark test on this iQOO R7 device after the recent software update. So this is a software update which I have just received yesterday, friends, and after this update I thought of doing the Antutu benchmark test as well. And it is a quick details about the recent update what I have received. So this is update number 2. So just received on the 20 May, as you can see. So this I'll try to keep track of each and every update in my gallery, friends. So make sure to check my other videos which I uploaded on this phone after the updates and all the Antutu benchmark test results. So make sure to hit that subscribe and stay tuned, friends. And as you can see, these are the quick details about the update, and we did get the security patch update only. So let's see what will be the improvement in terms of the Antutu benchmark score. So let me try to show you the before Antutu benchmark test results. So it is the Antutu benchmark test results after the software update 1, as you can see. So right now I'll try to do the Antutu benchmark test. I'll try to use the same kind of situation which I have created before, same kind of conditions. So after the software update I got 7 lakhs of score, and let's see after this software update 2 what the Antutu benchmark score will be there. The first thing which let me try to show you the model as well exactly. So you know I'm trying to use only the iQOO 7 8GB and 3GB variant, and next step is to show you the what is the RAM. So is the external RAM is on or not? As you can see, the external RAM is also on at the moment, you can clearly see here. Next step is to go back to the display and select the smart switch. So smart switch is also turned on. Next is the decrease the brightness to 50%. Brightness is also 50% at the moment. And let me try to open the Antutu benchmark application, and let's check the temperature before the test and after the test. So right now the temperature is about 37 degrees at the moment. 37, as you can see, 37 degrees. So I'll try to test after once the Antutu benchmark test has been completed, we'll get to know the results, how the phone is going to perform. So this is the test. Yesterday I did comparison with the OnePlus 9R and the Mi 11X device as well, so that's why you're seeing a little bit decreased score, but I'll try to take that into the consideration which I showed you first. So after the software update, how much score got improved. So let's consider 7 lakhs 1000 as an example. So this is the in-depth testings I'll be doing, friends, in my channel. So definitely, so if you want, you can skip for the later on video as well. So right now I'll be discussing few things about the iQOO 7 in terms of the performance wise. So I did like the software updates which I'm getting, particularly to fix the green tint problem. So there's a green tint issue is going on with the iQOO 7 smartphone, though with this latest update, I think before update 1, so which the green tint problem little bit got fixed. So make sure to check the playlist which is available in the description below. So try to click this playlist, friends, phone playlist, you can find in the description below, and which will take you to this kind of menu. So there you can find all the videos for the playlist of phones. So in this way you'll be staying up to date information about this iQOO 7 smartphone. So that is what I thought of conveying to a lot of users. So just to make your life very much simple and easier. So let's see how much the temperature will be increasing and what the results will be there, whether it can get more than the 7 lakhs 1000 or not. So let's see, that is what I'm very curious to see. And I did not use any kind of air condition, no aircon, no AC is turned on at the moment, no cooler, so there is only normal fan. And this is a situation every time I'll try to make the videos as well. Even my room temperature 33 degrees only at the moment, 33 34, as you can see, friends. It's not not at all cool only. So every time whenever I do this kind of test, I'll make sure the room temperature should not affect this kind of performance of the phone. But overall it feels really good. I'm very positive about the phone as the initial impressions. I'll try to make a video as well. So I did feel very good with the build quality and the battery backup and the camera, display, all these things and the features. So definitely I'll try to make another initial impressions about this phone, friends, after using for more than 48 hours. So you'll get to know all the details in that particular video. So right now the test is going on, and let's see what will be the results are in this kind of testing. And I can feel the heat coming from this kind of back panel, exactly this kind of location. So I can feel the heat coming up, so building up right now after this test. So let's see, friends, what will be the test results will be there here. And make sure to comment below what are the thoughts about the display as well. Particularly I did like the display overall. So this it's really good. So it's not kind of great when compared with Mi 11X device, but it's still kind of good. So again I'll be back once the Antutu benchmark test has been successfully completed. So then we can discuss the results, how much we got in this Antutu benchmark test in this phone. So let's see, friends. So right now, as you can see, friends, the results are like this. So 6 lakhs 97,000 at the moment. So I'll try to take the screenshot right now, and I'll try to edit as well. So I'll try to keep update in my gallery all these details. So definitely this will be kind of very useful, and you can see the 4000 decrease in terms of the Antutu benchmark score. So this doesn't mean the performance of the phone got decreased at all. So Antutu benchmark, we cannot rely on that particular thing only every time, but definitely I'll try to do my testing on this phone. Regarding the green tint issue, I'll try to focus, and 4G plus aggregation, whether we are getting or not. So those two topics will be my key highlight points in testing this phone, and even quite performance level as well I'll try to test in the future. So stay tuned for more videos, friends, and definitely make sure to hit the subscribe and like this video as well, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.